Hi guys, we're making a Giniling potato with working dish. We have the ingredients. We have first garlic. This is the garlic. And this one is the onion. And then this is bell pepper, green pepper. This is carrots. This one is potato, ground beef, olives. We have the spices. We have first is cumin. This pepper, salt, this mixed spices, and this chili paste. Have the oil.
Yes!
Guys, we're going to cook that. First, switch on the oven.
Push down. There you go.
Spatula. We're going to put the garlic. Next, we'll put the onion. Place the garlic and the onion. The onion and the garlic. Next, we put the carrot and the potato. Next, we go mix and also so we'll cook. Mix. That's enough mixing. Now next, guys, we're gonna put the bell pepper and green pepper instead. And now, mix. That's enough mixing, and let's now put all the Hey, add this some. Now guys, they're already cooked. We will taste it later. Are you ready? Hi guys, this is our finished product. Are you ready to taste it with me? Guys, the taste is perfect. This is perfect. It's hot and tasty. Even these. It tastes perfect. Ingredients are carrots and the green pepper and potato, and then onion, olive, carrots. And first, and spices, tomato, rice, Let's spill. The spill is great. It does. But the spill. Spill. Spill is great. Hot, super hot. Bye guys. Like and subscribe for more. Bye. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Like and subscribe to more.